Umentri rangba ukonrat ke sang ma mentakasngi ka arpau terik ujeliu ulalit jingo eka shnong Dangar bat Kynmynsaw ki bahap hapo ka Mausin Ram Development Block hakaba kiladu e nyongut ki mensimbriu hakini ki artli ki shnong nagajing tua kendo. Hadangar sangut ki briu ki layap ki bagantup ya sangut ki kena bat Kynmynsaw ukpa bat kakimi ki la syaban hagajing tua kendo bat kila ino syadin laingut ki kon badangret. Ke Sorkar kala ai Pisa Jingiarap Shillong yeng ki beladu e ki mensim bekodor. Umentri rangba ulai kendu ru ki bor peniat snong bat ula kulari ke Jingiarap na ke Sorkar hakini ke por baklang ki bor mariang. Ulah kularu baka Sorkar kan le estate ban penbiang ye keding elektrik bat ban penia sok loy ye ki mobile phone.
Small children and our sister who lost her life. I first of all would express my deepest condolences to all of you for the demise and the death of the little children and of your daughter and of your younger sister. It was a very tragic incident that happened, and on behalf of the government, we are all here to share your sorrow and also to support in whatever way possible to help all of you get through this very, very difficult time. From the government side, as has been mentioned by the Honorable MLA, that there is an ex gratia amount of 4 lakhs per deceased, which will be amounting to total of 20 lakhs. And the BDO will sit with all of you, the family members, and decide on how we should move forward. But the sanction from the government side has been done, and we will be giving the sanction letter to you.